Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by narrowing choices so you don't chase every listing. Pick a firm budget and a realistic max repair cost. Include parts and labor. Then choose 2 marketplaces that match your risk, auctions for bargains, or buy it now for speed. Once done, set filters for condition keywords like for parts, does not power on, or screen damaged. Make sure to sort by newest listings and seller rating. This gets you fresh leads with reliable sellers quickly. You now evaluate individual listings rigorously. Inspect photos for corrosion, bent frames, missing screws, and clear shots of the EMEI or serial. That prevents locked or blacklisted phones. Make 3 targeted messages. Ask about power behavior, last working component, and reason for selling. Once you get answers, run quick checks on average part prices and labor. Compute total cost. If the number exceeds your budget or yields slim resale margin, move on to the next listing without hesitation. You complete the purchase using secure payment and request track shipping plus clear return terms. Once the phone arrives, inspect immediately. Test EMEI against the listing, try to power on, check battery charge behavior, look for water damage indicators, test charging port and speakers, and photograph everything. If the device is not as described, contact the seller with photos and ask for refund or partial credit. Escalate to the platform within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.